everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative cake decorating project. We're going to transform an ordinary cake into the adorable and lovable Mike Wazowski from Monster Incorporated. First, we'll start by preparing our cake with a smooth layer of vibrant green frosting to match Mike's iconic color. First, we will bake a cake with the desired flavor in a round pan. You will learn how to bake vanilla and chocolate cakes in these videos. Then we will cut the cake into several layers. Now, using a round cutter or a knife, we will make circles with a smaller radius. Tip: you can use an egg-shaped pan and arrange the layers of cake and ganache of your choice in it. Now it's time to decorate the cake. I want to combine Mike's cake and Sullivan's color, but you can do it any way you want. Using a grass cutter, we can start covering the cake and help Mr. Mike look. Of course, as I said, I am making a Mike Sullivan cake. Tip: we must make sure that no part of the cake is visible. We carefully fill the cake with cream everywhere. Now it's time for the main part. Yes, you guessed it. Decoration. Don't forget his horns. We will place 2 cute green horns right above his head and symmetrically. You can use a toothpick or a wooden straw to hold the horns. Now it's time to finish. We will make Mr. Mike's eyes, which are his famous symbol, using fondant and place them in the right place. Now it's time for a small mouth and 2 cute white teeth. Hello, Mr. Mike. Nice to meet you. If you enjoyed watching this post, please subscribe to our page and activate the bell so that we can stay in touch more often.